Welcome, my loves. This is lesson 12 of jumpstarting your vegan journey with your girl, Gabrielle Reyes. Now, I know y'all are so excited about this recipe because we are digging deep into international cuisine, flavors, and cooking with some Jamaican Jerk Nachos. So good. Are you ready to take your taste buds on a tropical adventure? Today we are combining the bold, colorful flavors of the Caribbean with everyone's favorite snack, nachos. That's right, we're making my vegan Jamaican Jerk Nachos, and trust me, this is the best thing that will ever bless your taste buds. First up, let's talk about the base of these nachos, crispy, crunchy plantain chips. This salty snack is a staple in Caribbean cuisine, and we're gonna load them up with all sorts of goodness. Now, let's make that Jammin Jerk Sauce. In a blender, combine green onions, a fiery Scotch bonnet pepper, fresh thyme, lime juice, oil, fresh ginger, garlic, allspice, nutmeg, cinnamon, liquid aminos, maple syrup, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. Blend it all up until it's smooth and creamy. Now, this sauce is gonna bring the heat and the flavor to our nachos. For a creamy twist, mix up some of that jerk sauce with vegan mayonnaise or hummus to create a luscious, creamy jerk sauce. Set that aside because you're gonna wanna drizzle this all over your nachos later. Next up, it's time to make our coconut queso. In a medium pot, heat up some creamy coconut milk and then stir in some of that plant-based cheddar cheese. Whisk it all together until it's smooth and melty with a squeeze of lime juice, and season it with a little bit of salt and pepper to taste. Keep this queso on warm and on low heat until you're ready to build your nachos. Now for the creative part, building our Jamaican Jerk Nachos. Start with a layer of plantain chips. Next, drizzle over that rich coconut queso on top and a little bit of our Jammin Jerk Sauce, followed by some cooked kidney beans, diced bell pepper, purple cabbage, and sweet diced pineapple. Finish it all off with a sprinkle of green onions and drizzle over our creamy jerk sauce with a few lime wedges on the side for a zesty kick. Y'all see these nachos? These right here are bursting with bold flavors and vibrant colors, perfect for any occasion. Whether you're hosting a party, a game day, a girls' night in, treating yourself, or just bringing some island vibes to your day, this is the way you should be eating. So now it's your turn. Get in the kitchen, sing your song, do your dance, speak your truth, and dive into these incredible Jamaican Jerk Nachos. Happy feasting, my loves. I am all about the flavor, I am all about the spice, and I'm all about honoring our ancestors through every single bite we put into our body. Now, if you want to find out exactly how you can honor your ancestors and how you can thrive on a plant-based lifestyle, I got you. Becoming One Great Vegan. This is a new course I've developed. It's got the best recipes, transformative lifestyle changes that you can make so you can glow, so you can have energy, so you can flow. If you want to get into it, be sure to click that link below for Becoming One Great Vegan, and I cannot wait to see y'all in the next lesson. Peace.